detoxifying the body is absolutely necessary for everyone just to keep you healthy. Toxin in the daily diet is damaging the inner lining of the stomach that will create several issues related to your stomach and body. There are so many issues like pain, gas, acidity, flatulency, appetite, disturbance and more issues related to your weight and blood hormones. I will recommend this herbal cleanse occasionally to prevent disease caused by accumulation of various toxins in your stomach lining. This herbal colon cleanse helps to eliminate the stomach toxins and also accumulate and sticky waste from the intestine that will expel easily by these herbal cleansing. The ingredient in this are fennel seed powder, that is called in Hindi language saunf, ginger, that is called adrak, and third one is carom thymol, or in the Hindi that is called ajwain. Herbal stomach cleanse has many benefits including weight loss, maintaining digestive health, preventing intestinal disease, supporting liver and other abdominal organs and improving absorption of nutrients. First benefit is weight management. All these ingredients possesses the potential to rectify the metabolism of the body, increase or maintain the metabolic rate. Thus, herbal stomach cleanse help you to lose also extra weights and also eliminate the toxins from the intestine. This waste matter that is sticks to the wall of the stomach and the colon, this fecal matter may result in various abdominal disease such as gas, flatulence, indigestion, abdominal distension, constipation. Herbal stomach cleanse help to loosen the sticky fecal material and facilitate to remove the toxic matter from the stomach. Thus, it prevents various abdominal disease. Another benefit is it facilitates better absorption of nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. When the fecal matter adheres to the intestine walls, it may result in the malabsorption of some important nutrients from the blood. Herbal stomach cleanse remove the sticky fecal matter and thus it facilitates the better absorption of the vitamins and minerals. And the another benefit is it remove intestinal parasites. Although the cleanliness of the food is maintained in the US, in India, in Pakistan, in China, but many children and adults still suffer from the intestine parasite infestation. Therefore, these parasites may have different routes to enter in the body, such as unwashed hand, dust, or eating earth. Herbal stomach cleanse helps to eliminate these parasites and improve your health. The common symptoms of parasite are extreme weight loss and malnutrition. Sometimes you may have taken anti-parasite drugs for parasitic infection, but some dead toxic cells of parasite may remain in the body. Therefore, we need some extra colon cleanse herbal remedy to remove them entirely from the system. Herbal stomach cleanse help to remove all these toxins and the dead cells from the intestine and colon also. Hence, it precludes malnutrition and builds immunity. Furthermore, the occasional use of stomach cleanse adds to eliminate the risk of reoccurrence of digestive ailments or parasitic infestation. The parasitic infestation reoccur after some months of anti-helminthic drug treatment. This reoccurrence can be prevented using herbal colon cleanse formula or stomach cleanse formulas. Take these herb as a whole, boil it with 2 cup of water. You may use also a fine powder of herbs. When 1 cup is remained, drink it early in the empty stomach and you will get amazing benefits of this stomach cleansing formula in one day. Use it occasionally, like in a week 2 to 3 times. After trying this, please comment below how your health is improved by this formula. We will make another videos on the various health topics. Please watch, like and subscribe. Thanks.